Setting posts without mixing.
What was this done, like in the 90s? It's interesting, I don't know if they're showing maybe a sonotube in there. Not a massive fan.
Fill the hole with Quikrete fast setting concrete.
Guys, I don't know about you, but I don't think this hole's 12 inches across.
Today's video is brought to you by our good friends over at Nationwide Industries, the Fence Pros' #1 choice. And they are this Fence Pros' #1 choice for a couple reasons. One, we love using their Keystone Traverse latches. They're easy to install. You simply bolt them onto the post. No drilling for rods or cutting the rods required. It's a pretty straightforward installation process. We also love using their full line of galvanized hardware. It shows up quickly and reliably.
All right, guys, today's video is titled How to Set Posts in Concrete Without Mixing. If you watch the channel, you know we've done a variety of videos on different ways of setting posts, whether it be tamping in gravel or just setting back straight into dirt. So we figured we'd do a review video of setting with concrete, but without mixing it. And it's actually from the Quikrete channel. So we'll see what they have to say. If you'd like to watch the video in its entirety without my commentary, we will link the complete video in the description below.
Setting posts without mixing. Whether you are building a fence, setting a mailbox, or even a basketball goal.
So my first thought was, what was this done, like in the 90s? Well, not quite, but it was 12 years ago. Not exactly cutting edge technology here.
The quickest and easiest way to set your post is to use Quikrete fast setting concrete. Because there is no mixing, you simply pour it into the hole dry, then add water.
So it looks like the way they're doing here is they're pouring it in dry without tamping it and then pouring water on top. We use the fast setting Quikrete for repairs. If we have one post we need to swap out, we'll do a method like this. We'll actually put water in the bottom, fast setting concrete on top, tamp it down firm, put water then on top. I don't know. We'll see how this goes.
When digging your post hole, it is important that the diameter of the hole be 3 times the width of the post. So the hole for a 4-inch wood post should be about 12 inches wide.
I think we all know that a lot of these posts we see around a 4x4 are not 12 inches. Some of them are typically 8 or 9 inches, but 3 times is absolutely the prescribed width of the hole. Let's continue watching.
The depth of your hole should be 1/3 to 1/2.
It's interesting. I don't know if they're showing maybe a sonotube in there. We've done some reaction videos of people that have suggested using sonotubes. Not a massive fan because it doesn't really anchor that concrete into the soil around it. It just gives it a smooth profile there.
So a 6-foot tall fence would require a hole depth of at least 2 feet.
You'd want to check your local frost depth, right? Typically your local your county ag department would let you know what your frost depth is. You know, in the northern climates, 2 foot is absolutely not enough. Typically 4, 5, 6 foot deep is where you'll find your frost line. I would say 6 inches deeper than your frost line with a minimum of 30 inches.
It is also recommended to add about 6 inches to the hole depth for the addition of gravel. Once you have dug your post hole...
Interesting. So you're going to use another Quikrete product, all-purpose gravel, in the bottom, but you're putting concrete above it. Kind of an interesting mix of methods, I guess.
Then compact and level the gravel using a post or 2x4. Set the post into the hole, then use a level to position the post perfectly vertical. Fill the hole with Quikrete fast setting concrete.
Guys, I don't know about you, but I don't think this hole's 12 inches across. There is not that much room between the edge of that post and the edge of the hole.
Next, pour about a gallon of water into the hole and allow the water to saturate the concrete mix. Fast setting concrete will set hard in 20 to 40 minutes. Wait about 4 hours to begin constructing your fence or applying heavy weight to your post. Fast setting concrete can be used for setting wood or metal posts.
Could also be used for vinyl posts. I think it could really be used for any type of post. Guys, quick and easy, what do you think? Using fast setting concrete, would you follow the Quikrete method or use a different method yourself? Let me know in the comments below. For now, I'm Joe Everest, the fence expert, reminding you that good fences make good neighbors. I'll see you next time.